One of the biggest questions homeowners ask us, can my roof be repaired? Or do I need to replace the whole thing? Hey, I'm Jim, an exterior consultant with Van Martin Roofing. The first thing we look at is your roof's age. If it's under 10 years old and you've got a small problem, maybe a few shingles missing from a windstorm or a single leak caused by flashing, then a repair might be all you need. But if your roof is 15 to 25 years old or older, repairs can become a short-term fix for a long-term issue. You might spend a few $100s to fix now, only to need another repair in 6 months or another year down the road. Next, we take a look at the type and extent of the damage you have, along with the overall condition of your roof. If you see cracked, curled, or brittle shingles, granule loss, those tiny sand-like particles in your gutters or at the end of your downspouts, or leaks in multiple spots, or water stains on your ceiling, or soft spots in your roof decking where the wood has started to rot. Those are all signs that your roof's protective layers are breaking down. Think of it like an old tire. You can patch a small hole, but once it's worn thin, patches won't help for long. The same thing goes for an aging roof. We also talk to you about your long-term plans for the home. If you plan to move in a few years, a professional repair might be the right call for now. But if this is your forever home, a full replacement can actually save you money and stress in the long run. Plus, it comes with a new 50-year warranty, meaning you won't have to worry about it again. At Van Martin, we take the time to inspect your roof inside and out. Take detailed photos and show you exactly what's going on up there. Then we'll walk you through your options, what a repair would look like, and what a full replacement would cost. We'll never pressure you either way. Our job is to give you clear, honest information so you can make the best choice for your home and your budget. Not sure if you need a repair or replacement? Click the link in our bio to schedule a free inspection. We'll show you exactly what's going on and walk you through all of your options.